Hello my darlings and all my ageless wonders out there. Today I am continually on the search for the holy grail of eyebrows. I try everything, and of course I can draw them in and pencil them in, and that's great, and I'll do that probably even when I tint them and get them browner and not this white gray. This that we're trying today is hopefully the one that I've been searching for, and it's the Ardell, and it is a brow tint. There are 12 applications in this. It covers gray. I've got gray. How about you? And it says it's supposed to last up to 2 weeks. And what I also like about it, it says that it's safe and easy to use, and it doesn't have any peroxide in it. So that's a big plus. I don't want to get that around my eyeball. And it also has in it camellia leaf, ginger root, and horsetail extract. So those are things that sound really good for it. And so we're going to give it a go. Let's see how this works. I bought this myself. I'm not affiliated with it. I'm just trying to find the holy grail of eyebrows. So here we go, and let's get started. So what comes in the brow tint is the tint powder. So it's a little bottle of tint in powder form, and then it also comes with the conditioning developer. Comes with a little bowl to mix it in, a spatula, a brow brush. This isn't going to just really do it for me, I think. I'm also going to use a very small brush that I can get a better draw or a better line, better form that I want for my brows. So we're going to use this as well and see how that works. So I said to put in here a pea size of the developer. It's basically a jelly-like formula. I did mix it up. It first came out very liquidy. I may have too much. I don't know. You can see what it is there. So now I'm going to shake in. It said shake in about 3 or 4 times, and since I might have been a little too much, and it does have a little shaker on the top, so we're going to try that, and that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I got too much in there. Then it says to take your spatula. I increased the amount of powder because my gel that I put in was a little bit more than a piece. So maybe it is forgiving for that. I can see that it's getting brown. There are 12 applications in here, so that does mean that if it isn't enough the first application, you can just do it again. So now I'm going to just try to brush it in. As you watch me do this, I'm concentrating here. I'll play some nice music so you can relax and watch me as I tint my brows. I can see a really big gray white hair, so I'm just trying to mush down, because some of those just kind of go boing out of my face. I have plucked those sometimes, but I've been trying not to. I'm just trying to trim them the best I can. I would like everything to grow in as much as possible and being thick and full, and then just train it wax and gel brow. I'm almost finished with this. I'm just going to use it all. I'm going to pack it on, get as much coverage as possible, but I'm hoping that will just wash off and then leave me with eyebrows. So hold on, I'm going to set the timer for 10 minutes, and then when the 10 minutes is up, I'll come back, and hopefully I don't look like I don't know what kind of eyes I would call this, Cleopatra eyes, brows. Maybe I have Brooke Shield eyebrows, beautiful women, Elizabeth Taylor, but I'll just be happy if I can have just some eyebrows. So here we go, 10 minutes, and then I'll be right back and we'll see the results. This is the results. I am going to pull up a before picture when we started this process. I'm going to move over here a little bit so we can put a before picture here. I'm not mad at it, as they say. I just think that I just don't have a lot of them. But I think that this will give me a good base to use my pencils. I have some good pencils coming up that I will be showing you, so don't forget to subscribe. And I am going to then be able, I think, get a better draw and a nicer look without looking so heavy. That's it for our brow tint today. Will it be my holy grail? We'll have to wait and see. I want to wear it for a few days, a week, and see what happens. Maybe retry it again, see if I can build upon this. But don't forget my ageless wonders. Be bold, be beautiful, be you. Age is just a number, and don't let it define you. I'll see you here next time, doing my darlings. Bye.